Hello, guys. It's Mrs. Crosser. I am recording to let you know to teach you all about Kerpoof today. I am gone in Orlando at a technology conference, learning lots of really awesome stuff to come back and teach you. So you have a substitute. To make it easy for her and for y'all, I decided to make you a movie. So I'm going to teach you how to go and make stuff on Kerpoof. The first thing that you do, the first place we always want to start is Cross Our Cares. We know that's the coolest website in the world. Wink, wink. Under the top links, you can go to Kerpoof and click it. Now, your substitute will give you your information to you for how to log in. Your username should be the first letter of your first name and the first four letters of your last name. Remember, no capitals and no spaces. You will have to start by logging in with your student class ID. So you have to click down there. You will put the first letter of your first name and then the first four letters of your last name. The password is ABC123, and then your class ID is whatever the substitute will let you know what it is. The class IDs must always start with a capital letter. I am not going to log in that way. I'm going to log in the other way. And you will not log in yet. You will not log in until this movie is over. But I just wanted to let you know that that's how you do it. Once you are all logged in, it's very easy to do and it's a lot of fun. You can create movies. You can spell a picture. You can make a drawing. You can even make a storybook. So first we'll start with spell a picture. You come onto here, and the first place you start within here is choosing a background. We'll choose a spooky background. And this is all just basically you're getting practice spelling words. So for example, if you wanted to spell cat, and then the cat choices will appear and you choose the one you want. And then if you wanted that cat to run, you could put in RUN and make your cat run all around. Woo! There they go. And if you wanted to make your cat, if you want to delete the words that are there, you just push delete on the keyboard and they will disappear. Maybe you want your cat to jump, so you can type in jump. And the cat will jump up and down. Maybe your cat needs a friend. So let's click up here and then we'll hit delete on the keyboard. And we'll find a dog friend for our cat. If this happens, it's happened a few times in the lab. We just have to hit refresh. I'm not sure why it does that, but that's okay. And it will start the whole picture over again. So you just choose another background and you basically get what to do. In here, you cannot save your work when you're doing spell a picture or spell a word. You can just practice. So you click done. The next thing that you can do is make a movie. Now, for the first graders, you guys are not going to be able to do this because it's pretty tricky. But for the second graders, you guys can give it a shot. I am not going to explain how to do it anymore on here because you can go on the Cross Our Cares TV channel, and a fourth grader, Luke, will be on there teaching you how to make a movie if you want to watch that. Remember, that's only for second graders right now. First graders, we will work up to that. Another thing that you guys can do now is make a card. Again, you just choose your background. I'm going to choose Earth Day because I am a green girl. And you just choose the picture you want and you click on it and you drag it over into your picture. And you can come here and drag in the little truck. You can also come down here and put in different words. Maybe I want to put a frog on my picture, so I click go and the magic kerpoof will happen. You see here, they disappear and some frogs will appear. So you click and you hold the mouse button down and you drag it over. You can make this guy bigger by holding this, or smaller or bigger. You can make him chat by clicking right here and putting a little word. Let's say go green. Yay, go green. Okay. When you're all finished, you can also draw. This is pretty cool. You click on here And you can choose the tool that you want, mess around in here. I'm just doing this very quickly. Oh, no, we have to buy that, and we're not going to buy it. We're going to go with the free ones. And you can just scribble, you can make a picture, you can write words, whatever you want to do. When you're finished, you say done, and it will put the image on your picture here. It's pretty cool. Okay, finally you can save. We're not going to print, we're not going to email. We'll talk about saving it as a JPEG later, but for now you can save it in your inventory. So you just click save, you give it a name, click in the little title box and just give it a name. You click share with everyone if you want everyone in the Kerpoof world to see it, but you don't have to. You can if you want to. Mine is not completed. I'm just doing it as a test. So then I have to click save scene. When I'm all finished, I click done and I go back to the menu here. Now the picture will be stored in my inventory in my backpack, but I'll talk about that in just a sec. Another thing you can do, they are all basically the same, but you can make a drawing just like I showed you, but just make a complete drawing. So you come in here and there's lots of different things you can do and play around with. Again, we save it when we want to save it. And then we click done. You can just make a picture. Again, you choose your background. And then you can choose lots of cool stuff to go on it. What's cool, which we don't have, let's put one on here and let's have this be a nighttime pool party. So we click moon. So watch, when I choose a moon and I drag a moon into the picture, it will, I hope, no, I guess not in here, but and the other pictures, it will make it turn to nighttime. But maybe because this is a pool or something, I'm not sure. Anyway, you can do all that. When you're all finished, you say done. Finally, you can create a storybook. And this is pretty cool. You come in here, you can choose your theme. Let's go pirates. And you can choose the characters you want. You can choose the backgrounds right here, and you just choose the one you want, and all you do is drag it up here, take the sides, make it bigger. You just grab it just right. You just gotta get it right. I just don't have a mouse right now. I'm just using the little mouse pad. Okay. Again, you navigate through your pages down here. You can add another page, whatever you want to do, mess with the colors. It's for you to play around with. Make sure that it's different because it's up here now. So you need to come up here if you want to save it or be done with it. I'm not going to save it. I'm just going to be done. So we're going to click right up there. Okay, if you ever want to, right here is the coins that you earn. Some of the things, it says that they will cost money, some of your backgrounds and some of the things that you want, like the disco ball. Unfortunately, anything that has a little M on it is for members, and we can't get those. But you can accumulate coins. You don't use real money. The way that you get more coins is by doing more activities. So the more stuff you do, the more coins you'll get. Here's your inventory. So it's your little backpack, and it shows you all the stuff that you have done. You just navigate through there. Exit when you're done. Down here is just all the examples. Like if you said share with everyone, then would go down here into this section. And this is different Kerpoofs that other people have made and shared with everyone. And there's this little underwater game. I don't care. You may play that if you want to. And that's it. So I hope you enjoy playing in Kerpoof today. Your substitute will now teach you how to log in, and then she will give you a little card to bring back and put in the front of your agenda, and you are free to go home and play on Kerpoof as much as you want. I prefer you to go and practice and play around in it so that when we want to use it in our next projects, you will be very familiar with it. That's it. Have